Rain, rain, rivers. Yuri Shulevitz. It is raining outside. I can hear it. The rain is pattering on the window. The rain is pattering on the roof. It rains all over town. Rain rolls down the roofs, rushing down the eaves, gushing out the drain pipes. Streams stream in the gutters. Tomorrow I'll sail my little boats. It rains. It rains over fields. It rains over hills. It rains over grass. It rains over ponds too. Frogs, stop your singing. Take cover in the water. And listen to the rain. It pours. Streams are streaming. Rills roll down hills, fall into brooks, rush into rivers, and race to the seas. Rills roll down hills, fall into brooks, rush into rivers, and race to the seas. Oceans are swelling, melting the skies. It rains. Tomorrow new plants will grow. Birds will bathe in the streets. We'll run barefoot in puddles and stamp in warm mud. I'll jump over pieces of sky in the gutter. It rains all over town. The plant on my window is beginning to grow. I know it.